Hi guys, so it's Ian here from Burgot Design, and today what we've got in is we've got an E45 AMG, and we're going to change this whole steering wheel, multifunction buttons, paddles, airbag, and we're going to swap it out for the newer version 2018 plus retrofit steering wheel which we supplied. So this will provide full functionality, buttons, touch buttons, everything, horn, airbag will work exactly the same as it does in the standard model, but incorporated on here. So today I'm going to talk you through how to do this, show how easy it is. It seems quite daunting, especially with the airbag, but we'll get to that and I'll show you how easy it is. Right, first things first, when handling these airbags, obviously it's an explosive device, could be quite careful. So what we always recommend is disconnect the battery before you start any work. If you can, if you've got an earthing point, earth the car, so to speak. If not, leave it for a few minutes, let it earth naturally, and then we'll basically go from there. So what we do is turn the steering wheel to a side, and you'll see just on the inside you've got like a dimple, like a soft point in the steering wheel, just underneath where the paddles are, where the trim meets the steering wheel. This is basically where you have two retaining pins which hold this airbag unit in. So I'll sometimes use a small screwdriver, or you can even use like Allen keys, certain size, that'll fit in here. So basically what you do is push this into here, and you'll feel a bit of resistance. Push it, there we go, that's one side off. This side, same on the other side. I'll try and turn it so you can see it. Same again, just push it in, boom. Airbag off, recenter the wheel to make sure it's still straight, pull it towards you, and that's it. So these are the marks here, the dimples I was on about at the start of the video, which is where you'll basically insert your tool to remove the clips for the airbag. It's the same on the other side. It's a soft like texture, basically hollow, so it means you can put your screwdriver in and you can just push through and then push the airbag clip out. Right, so we've moved the airbag, we've unplugged both pins, the burgundy and the yellow pin plug, so to speak. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move this centre wheel nut which holds the steering wheel onto the steering wheel column. What we want to do is, I use a HW10 piece onto a socket, ratchet, undo that. Now when you get it out, what I like to do is keep the steering wheel nice and straight, dead centre, pull it up gently, and you'll be left with the centre piece and the clock spring. Do not move this clock spring, you want to keep it nice and straight, don't need to touch it, just put the nut back in there not to lose it. Next thing up, put the new steering wheel on. So that's the old original steering wheel off, the older shape model, and the reason why the kits that we sell for these are so popular, because they are literally just plug and play. So we've just removed the old wheel, get the new steering wheel, as before, centre nut's still on, need to take that off. Line it up nice and straight against the line that's on the spline, keep the wheel straight as you can, slip it on, put the centre nut back in. In terms of torque setting for these nuts, they're not actually that high. You can probably get them online for what model it is, what torque it needs to be. I'll torque this up later on just before putting the airbag on, but I'll just get it tight enough now so it's not wiggling around the place, so to speak. So I'll just get that hand tight. That burgundy plug that we spoke about earlier, it's exactly the same on this steering wheel, but here's the magic. This is one of our Bluetooth adapter modules, which literally just, it makes the steering wheel completely plug and play. So we'll refit that back into the OEM socket. Steering wheel will come automatically because we've got the power source. We'll get that's the old airbag. We'll get the new airbag again, it's exactly the same as before. Airbag plug. This will go into the right socket that's currently empty. Just plug that in as normal. Right, that's in. Tuck the loom module out the way. Set the steering wheel up, make sure everything's in place. Push your airbag in, ready to go. Start the car, done. That's simple. It's probably taken me about 10-15 minutes at most, and most of that time has been spent going to and from the toolbox getting tools. So that's how easy it is to retrofit our kits into these models.